Okay, ma'am, meron po ngayong pinag-uusapan kamakailan po sa council na marami pong mga project na hindi po natapos dito po sa lungsod ng Baguio. At alam naman po natin kung ano-ano po yung mga yon. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin. Ngayon po, ang sabi po nila, or ang sabi po ng mga namumuno sa mataas-taasan, kailangan daw ng supplemental budget mula daw po sa pondo ng gobyerno, lokal na gobyerno. Ang problema po ngayon, meron po ba tayong pondo? At bakit kailangan na pera ulit ng taong bayan ang gagamitin para lamang pumatapos ang mga proyekto na ito? Ito po ba ay masasabi natin din na prioridad? Samantalang may mga problema po tayo katulad po ng basura, drainage, at iba pa.
Unang-una, mga project na to, mga proyekto na ongoing ay projects na pinapondohan natin sa national government. Hindi yan dumaan sa sanggunian. Ang sanggunian, ina-approve lang yung mga budget ng local government. Ang daming pending, no? Nakakalungkot talaga. Kasi halos 5 project ang hindi pa tapos. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman dapat sanggunian ang mananagot dyan eh. Kasi napondohan yan ng national government at ni-request na i-download yung mga pera na yan sa local government. Ang ginawa ng City Council ay binigyan ng authorization ang mayor natin to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the PWH para i-download yung mga budget na yan for the different projects. Of course, ang city planning natin and City Planning Development Office and CBAO, City Building and Architecture Office, meron na ho silang plano. May plano na sila sa mga proyekto na ito. Pero ang nangyayari, isa sa mga delay is, nakuha na yung budget, wala pa palang plano. Like in the case of Wright Park, nakuha yung, nag-request ng budget even before the plans were approved. And of course, the plans should be approved by the City Council. Okay? Yung mga budget pala na yan, na dinadownload sa city, there's a time frame. It can be 1 year or depende kung kailan dapat, kasi may mga funds na downloaded from the national government na kung hindi nagamit within the year, kailangan ibalik. Una, if you were only given 1 year, dapat before the 1 year na hiningi mo yung pondo na yan, may plano ka na. Para pagdating ng budget, bids and awards na kaagad. Tapos i-award na sa contractor, and then imo-monitor na lang ng City Building and Architecture Office or CEO, kung sino man ang in charge dyan. Or, in the case of Wright Park, ang in charge dyan is the CEPMO, no? City Environment and Parks Management Office. Which, again, is questionable kasi kahit na CEPMO ang in charge sa park na yan, this is an infrastructure project wherein the City Building and Architecture Office should be on top of this. And ano nangyari? Actually, sa City Council, nung nalaman namin na pending mga yan, and then we are already supposed to return the budget to the national government because it is already past due. We've been asking our city administrator, Bonnie De La Peña, to shed light or to give us an update. Actually, recently, I'm already asking for the procurement documents from their offices para ma-review ko. And that's what I owe to the city of Baguio, to look into these projects as to the cause of the delay. And we will look into this and we will see to it that the funds allotted to this really went to this project. And kung may mga problema, naging problema, then we are also here to help the executive look into it para naman maituloy pa rin yung mga project na to. Now, they came to us asking for a supplemental budget dahil yung pera na allotted, for example, for the Youth Convergence Center at Athletic Bowl, ano nangyari doon? Na-revert back. Mare-revert back na sa national government dahil hindi pa natin tapos. Now, we are looking into the reason behind it. Bakit hindi natapos? Sino ang department or agency na nagkamali? Isa-isahin natin, no? As for the Irisan project, yung process kasi ng DPWH, pag dinownload yung fund, we are supposed to report to the DPWH yung accomplishment. So that kung na-accomplishment natin ang 20%, babayaran nila ang 20%. Kung na-accomplish natin ang 50%, then they will pay 50%. No? Pero, ang nangyayari, totoo, nagbibigay tayo ng accomplishment report. Pero, meron din counterpart ang DPWH to check kung totoo nga na yung ni-report ng CBAO, City Building and Architecture's Office, ay tugma at totoo dun sa accomplishment report din ng mga engineers ng DPWH. May sarili silang may sarili din silang engineers to look into the projects na funded by the national governments. Kasi cargo nila yan eh. Pero ang nangyayari, hindi nagtutugma. Pwedeng sabihin nila, 20%, yun pala, 6% pa lang yung na-accomplish. So, ngayon, dapat nagmi-meeting sila. It should be an ongoing cooperation between the local government and DPWH. At kung dumating na yung time na hindi pa rin nila tapos, the city government is supposed to terminate the contract with the contractor and get another contractor to finish the project. Hindi yun nangyari yan. Hindi nangyari kasi tinuloy pa rin nila ng tinuloy kahit na ang laki na ng slippage, ang laki na ng hindi pa natapos na accomplishment. Of course, kung hindi natapos yung accomplishment, hindi magre-release ang DPWH. Patapos na yung due date, hindi pa rin tapos yung project. Okay, nagbigay naman ng leeway ang DPWH. So, nag-extend ang city to request for the accomplishment na matapos. Hindi pa rin na-accomplish yung supposed 90%. So, paano sila magre-release? Of course, may process din po ang pag-release ng funds ng DPWH. Depending on the accomplishment of the project. So, we cannot blame them. And don't blame us. Hindi kami may kasalanan yan ng City Council. Siguro, ang gusto na ngayon ng ating executive mag-supplemental budget na kayo for this. Ba't kami magsusupplemental budget using local government funds? When in fact, there is already a funding from the national government. Hindi nga lang na-manage. Bakit? That is what I am going to look into now. Hindi lang ako konsehal, I'm also an architect and I know my technical works na dapat ang ating Bids and Awards Committee and our monitoring committee and our department head should be on top of this. Dapat alam nila ang ginagawa nila. Huwag sila nagtuturo ng kahit kanino, especially to the City Council, because the City Council only approves laws and approves appropriation.